their catch list. Kaya ika nga yung experience itong mga ito ay kailangan masubukan natin. Yung mga galaw nila hindi ganun ka-spectacular pero very effective.
Here's Lanete earning just his second start, no, of the conference.
Because I think Coach Ryan Grigor is realizing yung pangailangan nila sa point guard. Someone who has to really stabilize their offense. Na nakakapag-control ng tempo, and I think they are in need of one.
Neither team getting the score here in the opening moments of the ball game. Opex Robinson setting the table para sa Red Bull. Over to Penisi on the right side. Inside Parada. Parada against Ralimi. It's a huge one-on-one matchup at the post. Rebound para kay Raimundo. And immediately it's Rich Alvarez hounding James Yap as Raimundo uncourts with a TM3.
Because nare-realize ni Coach Heng, itong si James Yap coming off 2 off nights dun sa kanilang dalawang talo. Eh yung mga ganyang scorer, biglang pumuputok yan. Kaya ngayon pinatapat niya kaagad si Rich Alvarez to defend against James Yap.
Whistle blown by our Chief Justice tonight, Art Herrera, who's joined by Patrick Cañizares and Jess Ferrer. At si Ralimi ang tatawagan ng pinakaunang foul of the ball game, sending Adam Parada to the line.
Which I think is the advantage of Adam Parada. Yung kanyang mas mabilis na spurt. Hindi ka nga nakakatanggap ito ng bola sa mas mataas bago siya umatake. And that's his advantage over Ralimi na walang ganong kakayahan. Si Ralimi talagang sa poste lang ito nagtatrabaho. So in that move by Adam Parada, foul lang ang inabot ni Ralimi sa kanya. Nakakonekta pa sa 2 free throws.
Pero lamang pa rin ang isa ang Pure Foods, 3-2. Wala pang 2 minutong nakakaraan sa larong ito. Here's Ralimi making a move. Easy interception para kay Alvarez. Here's Robinson. Robinson steps on the brakes. Robinson to Penisi. Penisi can't hold the trigger. Here's Kairos Baguio. Baguio for 3. Short. Ralimi clears the rebound. Tatakbo Pure Foods dito. Here's Lanete. Chico Lanete with nowhere to go. Outside James Yap, hoping to bounce back with a big game tonight. And the veteran Evangelista launches one. And here comes Rich Alvarez all alone for 2.
And that's the control of the rebounds of the Red Bull Baracos. Adam Parada, as you were mentioning, talagang siya ang hari dyan pagdating sa rebound. At kitang-kita niya kagad ang sumasagitsin na Rich Alvarez for the easy lay-in.
Lamang na ang Red Bull 4-3 in the opening moments of this ball game. Here's Ralimi. Drop step. And it's a turnover once again. Back-to-back turnovers para sa Pure Foods. Baguio on the move. Highlight play right there, but the putback is good for Adam Parada.
That's what we're saying about Adam Parada. At the start of the first quarter, he's having a mastery over Reda Ralimi. Kanina, inalaw pa niyang mag-dribble to sa Ralimi sa tuktok at inagawan niya lang ng harapan.
Third consecutive turnover laban sa Pure Foods. And the ball ends up with Penisi. Penisi goes baseline. And Penisi was caught dancing to the wrong song.
I was about to say, successful na sana yun eh. Si Rich Alvarez was kidding me earlier when I greeted Nick Penisi. Sabi niya, hindi ba alam na kapatid ni Brad Miller yan? Galaw ni Brad Miller talaga yun. Pati yung travel, galaw ni Brad Miller yun.
Meantime, here's Raimundo with a pull-up. Here's Baguio. Kairos Baguio now going to work.
Yan naman talaga nagpapaangat para sa kupunan ng Red Bull. Ito si Cyrus Baguio, the same hero the first time they met.
And it's an 8-3 start here para sa Red Bull. Pure Foods naman, they're sputtering here in the opening quarter.
Pwede magpa-load?